In our previous video we have installed CalculiX CrunchyX. We will now install CalculiX GraphiX. We will first close this terminal and open the root terminal. Well, we can also stay in this terminal and switch user to super user and change it. That's one way, but I would like to close this terminal and open it open a root terminal, because I want to prepare this video so that very what we call a user who is not previously familiar with the Linux operating system may be able to what we call install it on his own. This is our root terminal. I will zoom in. First I will change my directory to user local. I will show you files in this folder. At the moment we have got these files. What we now do is we will download these what we call the so-called CalculiX GraphiX file into this, to which I will open a browser. We will go to CalculiX GraphiX. This is the one, and this is the file we have to download. I will copy link location, and I don't need this anymore. I will type wget and I will paste this. This is the command I'm going to type in the root terminal now. Wget, I will paste. I will clear the screen and I will type ls to view the files. There you go, we have downloaded this file here. Now I will apply bunzip command, bunzip2, because it's bz2. bunzip2, and then I will type cgx underscore 2.7 dot all dot tar dot bz2. bunzip2 now I will apply tar command. Tar We now no longer need this file, so I would like to remove it. This completes downloading and decompressing the file. Now we have to set links to some of the files. This is very important. To do that, I will show you file system once. This is our file system in the user, and if you go to libraries, there are lots of files. So there you go. This is perhaps the file what we want. This is the folder. In case if you are using 32-bit system, i38 in place of x86_64, you will get i386 perhaps, or something else depending on you know, which flavor of Linux you are using. Just go into this folder. It's gonna take some time. There are some files up here. See, these are generally typically s4.1, s4.2, something like that. We have to place links such that CGX compiler recognizes them. I will explain this. First link we have to place is this one. Entire one line. There is a file libglu.s4.1, and we have to create a link like libglu.s4. means these extensions, last bit, they are removed. So we're going to do that now. Our second extension is second linking is this is our second link. Our third link is this is our third link. This is our fourth link. This is our fifth link. This is our sixth link. Having established these links, we now need to load additional softwares. So I will type something like this is part step 5. Within step 5, additional softwares. The first software we are going to install is libx11 dev. I'll type something like this is the software one. Okay, now we are going to download and install this libx11.dev. I will clear the screen. I will clear the screen. Second software that we are going to install is over here. This is the second software we are going to install. We will clear the screen. Third software that we are going to install. We will clear the screen. Fourth software that we are going to install. We will clear the screen. Fifth software that we are going to install. we now need to make links and basically need to edit the make file. There are few changes that needs to be done to the make file. First we navigate to what we call CGX. First what we do is change directory to user local X. So we need to change to that directory. So there is so-called make file. I will open this file and show you in a minute. Here we have to go to CalculiX, CGX, and then SRC. Our make file is here. I will open this with gedit. Couple of changes need to be. This path is not correct, that we have to edit that, and these bits we have to give proper things to these ones, proper links. First what I do is I will save this so that when changes have been made we get a chance to make file original. So I will close this. I'll close this. I'll move this out. I'll clear this. First I will use set command. This is the one I'm going to paste it in the terminal. Second change I'm making is this one. The third change I'm making is I'll just put something like a note. This is basically not two separate lines. From here to here is just one. This is our final command. So let's just examine our make file once again. This is our make file. Open with gedit. This is our original make file. I'll try to minimize this a bit. This is our original. This is changed one after applying set command. This is our original. Here we have the include has moved over to here. X11 is moved over here. That's a correct path. Likewise, so the lines have been edited. This one, we just get one line containing all the libraries. Those and other changes that have taken place. So I will close this. I will close this. I will close this, and I will move this out. Having made these changes, so this is important note. This may not be grammatically correct, but it is my view. You get that what I want to convey. Okay, now we have to type make. Hopefully everything whatever we have done is correct. And let's try make command. Make. Now the final thing is we have to create a link, so that when we type CGX, rather than typing enter CGX underscore 2.7, so we finally create a link. This is the link that we are going to create. I will clear the screen and I will type the link. Hopefully this means we have successfully installed CGX. I will close this root terminal. I will save this one. We don't need this. We'll close this. Previously we have used CCX and generated this FRD file. We will try to open this in CGX. I will open terminal. This is the terminal. I will try to minimize this so that I can accommodate CGX window here, main window. Xterm is here. First I will switch to documents folder. Let's check. We need to move to sim folder, and let's see what we got over here. .frd is there, so CGX space -v FRD file, and I will hit enter. There you go, it's opened. So we have successfully installed CGX stress tensor. This is our my stress element edges. So that's it.